If you're trying to start affiliate marketing on YouTube, you probably think you need massive following of 100k subscribers or maybe millions of views to make a full-time income. And this is completely false. Some of the most profitable affiliates are running tiny, right? Small, faceless YouTube channels which has even less than 1000 subscribers. I run a similar channel. I only have 4k subscribers and yet I make full-time income from this, right? We don't care about getting viral on YouTube. We only care about a specific strategy. That's a 3-step strategy that I'm going to talk about, which combines the buyer intent traffic and the automated selling system. And I'm going to show you exactly that. I'm going to give you examples. I'm going to give you my examples on how to really achieve this with small YouTube channels. Now, for example, if you type in SWC 2.0 review on YouTube, then you will find several videos like this. On the first video here, you can see K1B, it has like just 219 subscribers and it has 760 views. And this SWC 2.0 is a high ticket offer. Even if 1% of these views convert, she made thousands of dollars in commissions, right? Similarly, if you go down, you can see, right? Shari's digital journey, don't buy SWC 2.0 until you watch it. This is a buyer intent keyword, right? The review keyword here, right? SWC 2.0 review, that's a buyer keyword. People are searching for a product review because they already are aware about it and want to make a decision whether to buy or not, right? And that's why they are on here on YouTube and watching the review videos. This one as well, right? Don't buy SWC 2.0 until you watch this. This is a buyer keyword. If someone types in SWC 2.0, they will most likely find this video. And look at this, less than 1,000 subscribers and 457 views here 3 weeks ago, right? SWC is selling with confidence 2.0. This is the full form. SWC selling with confidence 2.0. And she has just 42 subscribers with 337 views. Even if one sale occurs, she made a high ticket commission. Now, there are several examples. If you take my example as well, there is a high ticket offer that I promoted called Legacy Builders Program. And just one video, actually two, just 2 videos actually got me more than $1,000. The screenshot should be on your screen, right? So if you're brand new and you want to start YouTube and you want to do affiliate marketing, right? Then you need to do more of these buyer intent keywords. And that will be our step number 1. When someone types review into the YouTube search bar, they are at the end of the buying cycle. Right? The end of the buying cycle. They have their credit card sitting on the desk. They just want that final push to actually make the decision and buy that. And whoever owns that video, that did the review video, makes $1,000 in commissions. And this is not just for high ticket commission. This is true for recurring commissions, right? This is true for low ticket commissions. Mid-ticket, high-ticket, you said you will be able to sell that by leveraging these buyer intent keywords. If you go back here and look at this, right, 400 views, 100 views, like less than 1,000 subscribers, 126 views. Here, right? 200 subscribers, 760 views. Most people, most beginners think this is a failure because it's not viral at all. But these are not 400 random people in here. These are 400 highly targeted buyers. A tiny percentage clicks her affiliate link. She is making sales fast. Doesn't matter if it's a $20 recurring software. Doesn't matter if it's a high ticket offer. So the best buyer intent videos would be review videos. Now there is another section of review videos that I teach, and the name of that strategy is launch jacking. Launch jacking is when you find out that a massive marketer is releasing a new product in the future, let's say next week, and you upload your review video before that launch happens. And when the product actually gets launched and when the thousands of buyers go to YouTube and search for that product, they find your video that you uploaded. And if you do a good job of creating the review video, people will click your affiliate link and in the end, you will make commissions. This is the simplest way that you can make money online consistently since there is launches happening every single day. Now, buyer intent keywords, buyer intent videos will get you sales, but they usually don't get massive search volume, right? They are only the people who are interested in a certain product and are searching about it. But you actually need to grow your channel as well. And so that you have to, focus on search type videos. I mean, videos that people are actually searching for. And the best thing that you can do for those are how-to videos. And this is our step 2, right? When you do these review videos, review, in between, you have to add few how-to videos as well. And you are not going to guess, right? You're not going to guess and create whatever videos that comes to your mind. You're actually going to research and piggyback on your competitors, right? You will identify your competitors and you will piggyback on their success. The videos that are doing well for that particular competitor, you will piggyback, you will get the title recreated in your own style, your own content, which will help you grow your channel naturally and faster. The only thing that you need to do is you need to find few competitors that has basically same amount of subscribers you have and are in same niche, right? You take that same topic that's doing well for them and create a slightly better video, and the algorithm will naturally suggest your video next to theirs or even push because YouTube is favoring that title, that topic right now. That's how you take advantage of the algorithm of YouTube and grow your channel. Now, step 1 is buyer intent keywords. Step 2 is creating how-to videos or the videos that people are actually searching for. So what's step 3? Well, this is very important, and this is a trap that people fall into. Well, they create review videos, right? They create review videos, and most likely you are dropping your affiliate link directly in there, making you commissions, right? Makes sense. Now, what about how-to videos or the searchable videos that you are doing? If you're putting in direct affiliate link in there, then you are doing it wrong, right? You actually need an automated selling system that works for you to sell a particular offer that makes you commissions. And this is our step number 3. You need a machine that takes whatever traffic, whatever small, tiny traffic that you're receiving and actually work and go ahead and make that commissions, make that money for you. And the automated selling system does 2 jobs. One is it builds trust, and building trust is the byproduct. The actual thing, the main thing that it does is it shifts beliefs, right? You provide content, you provide value, which shifts belief of people that are coming into your world via the email sequences, via videos that you provide them, via the articles you provide them. Everything contributes to shift beliefs of people who came into your world, which builds trust, and ultimately that thing leading to making commissions and consistent income at that with tiny, small YouTube channels. And that's exactly what I do. If you want to learn and see exactly how to set this up for your channel or even whatever traffic source that you have, then click that first link in the description, watch that free training in there, and you will understand how to really build that trust, how to really shift the beliefs, and how to sell high ticket offers or any offer really that you want. Even if if you're a coach, if you have a service, whatever that you have, you're an affiliate, you will learn how to really sell it properly to make a full-time income. Hope you enjoyed this video. Click that link and I will see you in the next one.